But Newaygo County, right now, we opt out of the 152 so that we are not, our health insurance is not costing our employees anything. We actually have two different plans, but they have the ability to have a free plan that is actually a very good plan, and they can feel very good about that. And we use that in part toward our recruitment of employees. Now, I know in 1984 when I started there, I remember my dad saying, well, you're going to get health insurance. Wow, I guess I might, you know. I was 10 foot tall and bulletproof. Who needed health insurance at that point? But later on, of course, after I retired from the county and was running for county commissioner, I had 7 months that I got to pay on a COBRA plan. And it is incredibly expensive to have to cover that on your own. Actually, it cost me about a quarter of my retirement pay because I was blessed with the defined benefit program. But anyway, it was very expensive. So anyway, we can use that as part of our recruitment process on bringing new employees in. And we also have been able to use that as a retention or even a recall on our employees. We've had people that have chased a couple dollars in their paycheck to other locations, other counties, other jobs. And when they got there and found out that, yeah, I got a couple dollars more an hour, but I got a heck of an increase in my cost of health insurance that offset that even more, maybe, more than offset it. So we've had a number of employees that left us and have returned and have been very, very much happier at our county then. So that worked out very well. We've been self-funded for a lot of years, and that worked out pretty well for us. I don't know that we were doing any much better than everybody else, but we felt like we were doing all right until we had some years that we had some major health calls on some of our employees, and we kept bumping up against the ceiling on that, and it really, number one, cost us a lot more money. But number two, it made it so that the budgeting was almost impossible. I mean, we didn't know if next year we were going to be kind of where we have been in the last few years, go back to a little lower, or even skyrocket some more. So that was very, very challenging in our budgeting. And I know that our administrator didn't like to have to come back and say, okay, guys, yeah, I budgeted this, but we're going to have to put more in there this time. And that was awkward, I think, for him and not very good for us either. We ended up looking for an alternative to that plan or to our self-funded plan. And fortunately, our admin group, our employees there, are very good at digging down and really doing some evaluation. And they ended up bringing us to Gallagher here. And